Hi friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to use group underscore concat function. So group concat function. So it is one of the aggregate string function that concatenates values from multiple rows into a single string. So it is often used with a group by clause to concatenate values within each group separately. We know concat function add the all strings together to get the output. So this is group underscore concat function. So I will show examples so that you can get clarity on how this function will work in the SQL. First, so this is my table. So here you observe employee ID, EMP name, salary, and department name. So now I want to apply the group concat function on department name. So before that, you need to know the syntax. Syntax for group concat function: select column name, column 1, comma, group underscore concat. So within the function, you need to add, you need to give the other column, column 2, from table name, table underscore name, group by, group by column 1. This is how you need to write the group concat function. So in this scenario, so I want to know the employees who are working in which department. So all these employees come under one string. Okay. Suppose the output would be this way. HR. Suppose HR department is. So how many employees are there? HR Raju. Comma next one. Ahmad. So these two employees are working in HR department. So followed by IT. So in IT department, how many employees are there? Mahesh and Surendra and Neeraj. So my output should be in this way. So for that I am using the group underscore concat function. So I'm writing the query select. I want to know the employees names. Employees names. So but I am grouping on department name. So first DEPT underscore name, comma, group underscore concat. So here within the function I am passing EMP underscore name. I want to make the all values in the EMP underscore name who are working in the department in one string as DEPT underscore employees from EMP group by department name DEPT underscore name. So this is how you write a query. See here the output. So department name admin. So all these employees are comes under admin. HR, IT, and payroll. So like this. So if you want to know only particular department name, just to mention where class. So before group by you need to specify where class, where DEPT underscore name is equal to HR. So you can see HR department. So in where condition you put the required department name so that you will get only for that department employees. So this is how this group concat function will work. So I will show one more example. So tables. So here I have one table called WC underscore players. That means World Cup underscore players is my table name. So there you find player ID, country name, and player name. So each country has three players each. So India, Australia, and England. I want to know how many players are there in the Australia. I want to, and all these players are considered one row with comma separated. That means one string I want. So for that I am using the group underscore concat function. Select. So first time my grouping column is here, country underscore name, and group underscore concat. So within the function I am taking player underscore name. So here I want only Australian players as Aussies players from table name WC underscore where where in where condition I specified the either country ID or country name. Here I am taking country underscore ID. So what is the country ID for Australia? 2. So I am giving 2. Next group by again country name, country underscore name. See here. I got the result for one, only for Australian players in one string. So where condition is optional as per the requirement, but without where condition, if you want to check, just remove the where condition and here change your name, country players. See here. Australia, England, and India. So players of these countries are commented one string, one row. So this is how this group underscore concat function. Thanks for watching the video.